If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
So may package na naman tayo for today's video guys. Katapos ko lang maligo. And today we have another batch of PSA. Wait lang guys, buksan ko muna. So if you are interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos so you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya Ready Game Start here in Tarlac. So Cafe Manaya cards to guys. Let's go. Okay. I forgot my scissors. So ayan guys, batch 45 I think, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi konti lang to eh. Dito muna tayo. First time di ako nalobat sa aking cellphone. Pumunta kami Baguio kanina guys eh. Kaya hindi ko siya na-videoan ng... Uy, birthday Pikachu. Okay, let's see. First, Piplup Dawn PSA 10. Ho ho PSA 10. Loka ho ho again. Dawn again. And Kiran PSA 9. Next, mabilis lang to guys. So parang short video na lang din. Pero advertise ko lang guys, yung PSA ngayon is sobrang tagal na guys. So umabot na siya sa 6 months. Kaya ako nagpapagrade kayo, always remember that. Tapos may 1 month leeway din, 1 month to 8 weeks. Kasi humigpit yung customs ng ano, yung customs US. Kaya medyo mahirap makapasok yung mga cards tsaka makalabas. So always remember na starting mga May, yun na yung kalakaran ngayon. So ito na guys. Kaya kung magpapagrade kayo guys, patience lang, patience. First, Piplup PSA 10. Nice one. Blaziken. Ganda nito kaso ba't nag-9? PSA 9. Blaziken again. PSA 9. Marco PSA 10. Manga Sanji PSA 10. Steelix PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Wheezing PSA 9. Hondom PSA 9. Another Dawn PSA 10. So mga ano to ni bossing eh. PSA 10 sa session. Lahat to na pull ng anak niya. So pinag-grade niya guys. Persian PSA 10. Lorantis PSA 8. Mega Rayquaza PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 10. Then Skymori PSA 10. Loudred PSA 10. 9 pala. Zekrom PSA 10. Hydreigon PSA 10. Reshiram PSA 9. And lastly, another Blaziken for another PSA 10. So yun lang guys, heads up ko lang, kung gusto niyo magpa-grade, kailangan niyo muna ng mahabang pasensya kasi matagal umuwi mga cards natin ngayon guys. Unang-una dahil matagal si PSA, pangalawa dahil sa customs, kaya konting pasensya lang guys. Hindi naman natin ginugusto matagalan. Lahat tayo gusto natin makuha yung mga cards natin agad, di ba? Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Nagbasa pa ako. It's another batch 46 yata to po. 46. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!